Let's see simultaneous equation. Exercise 6C, question number 10. It says that the sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is 7. 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. So let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. 4 times the numerator, that means it's 4x, and 5 times the denominator means 5y. Now what is the relationship between this new denominator and numerator? 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. That means the denominator is now bigger because this is 8 less. So what is the difference between the two? The difference is 8. So what we can write, 5 times the denominator, that becomes 5y, which is bigger than the 4 times the numerator. And what is the difference between the two? It is 8. So this becomes our equation second. And what is the first one? The sum of the numerator and denominator is 7. So the first equation can be x plus y is equal to 7, that is 1. So now we will solve these two equations. That is x plus y is equal to 7, and let's write 5y minus 4x is equal to 8. Now we will solve it by elimination method. That means we will make the coefficient of x same. We can even make the coefficient of y same. But here I am making the coefficient of x same by multiplying the whole equation with 4. So this becomes 4x and here it is 4x. So it is 4x plus 4y is equal to 28, and this is minus 4x plus 5y is equal to 8. Now we will solve these two equations. Plus 4x minus 4x will get cancelled. Plus 4y plus 5y becomes 9y, and 28 plus 8 becomes 36. So y is equal to 36 by 9, that is 4. Now we will put this y's value in x plus y is equal to 7. That means x plus 4 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 4. That is x is equal to 3. So the fraction becomes x upon y because numerator was x. So the fraction becomes 3 upon 4.